What do you say when someone says,
Hello, hello. My name's Miss Klasa. Hello, hello. What is your name? Here is a handshake. I'm glad to meet you.
Yay!
Hello, hello. It's nice to see you again.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U N V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
S E C. I use my eyes to see. B E B. I see a bee. B.
I like to smell the daisy. White,
Red, blue, yellow, orange, green, purple, brown, black, white. Buzz, 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 little bee, flying round so happily, making honey sweet and gold in your hive so neat and bold. Buzz, buzz, buzz all through the day, helping flowers on your way. Buzz, 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 little bee, you're so busy, can't you see? Pollinating as you go, making all the gardens grow. Buzz, 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 the world is bright, thanks to bees in morning light.
1, 2, 3, splashing in the sea. 4, 5, 6, naughty little chicks. 7 and 9, swinging on the vine. Here comes number 10, an angry mother hen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
P, ink, pink. S, ink, sink. L, ink, link. Ink.